I'm Johnny Evil.
Best pipe roper in the whole world.
And what are you, Claire? Oh, goodness.
So, it's okay.
Say party foul. Oh, it's slippery, huh?
Yeah. That's the one to do a nice time.
Yeah? There's all kinds of cool things in these woods like this.
I told you I'm the best pipe roper.
She's the best pipe roper. Look at her go. I think she really is the best pipe roper ever.
This ain't no thinking thing, Mama. Oh, wow.
Ta-da! You need to bow.
Oh, yes. I need to get off of the pipe rope and down.
Very nice.
Good job.
Shall we keep